بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى وصحبه أجمعين. Welcome dear students to a new lesson in Malik Idris Sanusi School in Istanbul. طبعا today's lesson is a completion تتمة of what we have already been doing in Unit 5. I think we are almost done with the unit. We are just finishing up, revising some grammar. We are in the roundup, I guess. I think we are in the roundup. Yeah, we are in the roundup. We are almost done. We will do some exercises and revise the grammar. رح نقوم ببعض التمارين ونراجع القواعد. So last time we talked a lot about obligation and necessity. We talked about forbidden things. We talked about prohibition. So I think today we should start talking about wishes for the present and the future. Wishes for the present and future. Okay, let's get started. So talking about prohibition, تحدث عن المنع. As you can see, talking about prohibition, you can't park here. This is forbidden. ممنوع. تركن السيارة هنا. You mustn't use your mobile phone in the hospital. What is this? This is prohibition, as we said last time. هذا الشيء بيعطيني المنع كما قلنا المرة الماضية. I think we did the homework about this. Let's see. Where is it? Yeah, this is we did this one. Chocolates and chocolate. We didn't do this one. We will read it quickly, but first of all, did I give you a homework? I don't think I gave you a homework, right? I don't think I gave you a homework. All right. So now, let's read this. I'll read the words and try to explain them quickly. So we have barbecue. Barbecue is shiwa. مشاوي. Electric mixer. خلاط كهربائي. Lighter. ولاعة. Plaster. ضماد. Plaster, I don't think it's ضماد here. I think, where is plaster here? Where is plaster here? I think it's number 4. 4. Ah, yeah, okay. So it's ضماد actually. It's ضماد actually. Yeah, okay. Okay. So teapot. Teapot is number 12. إبريق الشاي. Charcoal فحم. So it's number 6. Fork شوكة. So it's number 14. Matches number 15. عود الثقاب. Recipe book. It's number 9. Recipe. كتاب وصفات. طبعا أنا عم بقرأ لكم اليوم بس تحفظون هذول الكلمات. Washing up liquid. It's number 2. سائل الجلي. Cheese grater. هاي number 11. هاي اللي بنعمل فيها الجبنة. I can't find the word in Arabic. What is it? يبشر. يبرش. What do you call it? What do you say? when you do the cheese like this and you put it on top of the pizza. What do you call it in Arabic? Yeah, exactly. Mabshart or yabshur, something like that. Mabshara. Okay, so I was right. Uh, in okay, in Arabic it's yabshur. All right. So rubber gloves is number 10. شو نسموه بالليبي الجوانتي القفازات. onion بصل. sink is اللافندينا هاي بتاعت المطبخ. شو اسمها هاي المجلة المغسلة بتاعت المطبخ اللي بتجلوا فيها. وwood خشب. Okay, that's it. All right, now we move to a new rule. We move to a new rule واللي هي express wishes for the present and the future. Can someone read it please and try to explain a little bit about it. نحن استغرقنا كمان كتير بشرح هاي القاعدة من القواعد المهمة. So can someone read it please and try to explain it to us. At least read it. يلا, can someone read it please? Can someone read the rule please? نعم يا let's see who. نعم يا غير أسيف، غير بشرى، غير عمر، غير رغد، غير أحمد الجرنازي. يلا يا شباب وين البقية؟ Can someone read it please؟ غير هذول الشباب والبنات اللي دائما بيطلعوا. Can someone read it and try to explain it please؟ يلا يا can someone else? Let me check. Let me see. Let me see. How about yes مهند? How about you مهند؟ فاجأتك مو؟ Yes مهند. Would you please read and try to explain? Would you please
Okay,
read?
express wishes for the present and future. I wish I had a car.
إذا yeah, read on. Yes, read on.
نعم.
Yes, read.
Okay. If only I had answered all the question correctly. I wish I hadn't left my homework at home. If only I had managed to finish my work on time. Express regrets.
No. Wait. What can you tell us about this rule يا مهند? Can you tell us something? مش مشكلة
بالعربي
محمود.
استاذ.
بالعربي إذا بتحب مش مشكلة. English, Arabic, no problem.
هو يعني حسب ما قلت يعني كل تمني استاذ.
Exactly. بس إنه في شيء خاص عن هاي الأمنية. There is something special about this.
الهاد.
Almost. Thank you, Mohammed. Can someone explain to us about this, please? Can someone explain to us about this, please? Is it this one? Wait a second, I will try to find it. Where did we write it? I don't think. Yes, can someone to explain to us about this, please? نعم يا بشرى.
If only we used when we talk about something that we want it to happen, but when we use wish, there is no possibility to come true, like 0%.
Exactly. So we don't have any possibility. That's why we said we are expressing wishes, and we said I can't find it on the board, and we said wishes are actually not true. Are actually not true. So when we wish for something, it means that it is not going to happen. And we said, as you can see, so a wish is something that is not going to happen. When we use wish, we know that's not going to happen. Why? or at least أو على الأقل احتماله ضئيل جدا. احتماله ضئيل جدا. ولاحظ هون شو حكينا، قلنا express wishes for the present and the future. We're trying to express wishes for the present and the future. I wish I had a car. I wish I had a car. متى؟ now. ومع هيك استخدمنا the past. مشان هيك سمينا unreal past. unreal past. لأنه بعد wish يأتي الماضي. الماضي دائما. I wish I hadn't left my homework at home. If only I had managed. You see, so we are expressing wishes that are unreal, غير ممكنة الحدوث. So we are expressing wishes that are unreal. How do we say that? We use the past. We use the past form. نستخدم شكل الماضي to express something that is not real, or at least the possibility is minor or minimum. الاحتمالية احتمال حدوثه قليل جدا جدا. احتمال حدوثه قليل جدا جدا. All right, so we can also express regret. نعبر عن الندم. Especially when it comes about when we are talking about the past. When we are talking about the past, we regret doing something in the past. نعبر عن الندم بأنه درنا شيء معين في الماضي. For example, I wish I had brought my camera with me. يا ليتني أحضرت الكاميرا معي. So as you can see, it's not a real. It's not something about now, or at least it's something that I am regretting. شيء عم بندم عليه. If only I hadn't left it at home. By the way, wish and if only are like almost the same. Almost typically the same. All right. So this is the rule. We talked about it, like we explained so much about it. So we don't have to, come on, we don't have to like take much more time on it. We will try to do the exercises. We see, let's see, where's the exercise? What's the problem? We are supposed to listen to this, I think, but we're not going to do that. This is the second conditional, almost the same thing, almost the same thing. We will do this, but I'm looking for something about wish. Yeah, we still have some stuff to do. I want, okay. Okay. This one, found it. We still have so much work to do. Let's see. No, we don't have so much work to do. This is unit 5. Yeah, we are doing what we can. We're doing what we can. All right. Can someone read this rule, please? Can someone read this rule, please? That's page 69. That's page 69. Yes, Abrar.
Lesson 7. I wish I could fly. A. Look at course book at page 59 and complete the rule and explain. كمل يا أستاذ.
Yeah. Read the first one. Read this one.
Expressing wishes for the present. We use I wish or if only plus the
which tense? ارجعي لهون شوفي، نحن قلنا
past,
the
past.
past simple, exactly. The past simple.
The past simple tends to talk about wish for the present. I wish I
Mhm.
had a new laptop.
Okay.
If
Okay.
only I had better at sport.
If only I
I
were
wish
better at sport.
I wish I was good at maths.
Mhm. Okay.
كمل.
Thank you. Thank you. So as you can
Welcome.
see, as I told you, when the wish is about the present, we use the past simple. We use the past simple to talk about wishes for the present. Okay, can someone read the second rule? هاي القاعدة داخلة معانا ها وهامة، نحن سبق شرحناها، لكن الآن توكيد للكلام. نعم يا رغد.
Expressing which is for the future. We use I wish or if only plus would or could to talk about wishes for the future.
Okay.
If only my parents would let me stay up late something.
Mhm.
I wish I could go horse reading at the weekend.
Okay, Ragad, can you please explain the difference between the two, between the present and the future?
The first one used if only, and the second one used I wish, because that we have a difference between future and present. One of them is future and one of them is present.
Exactly. So when we want, هلا هذا الحقيقة إضافة للكلام اللي حكيناه. When we want to express wishes about the present, we use the past simple. When we want to express wishes about the future, we use would or could. So we can add this one. شوفوا هون نحن بإمكاننا نضيف هذا على الجدول متاعنا. When we want، طبعا بالنسبة لwish أو حتى if only، when we want to have a wish about the future, we use could or would. وطبعا لا تنسى بيجي بعدهم the infinitive. يعني هاي ملاحظة جديدة الحقيقة، ما خرجت عن السياق العام اللي حكينا فيه. So when we are making a wish about the present, we use the past simple. When we are making a wish about the future, we use would or could. All right, that's good. Let's see what else. No, this is all not a problem. Yeah. طبعا هلا الآن we have a rule واللي هي second conditional، نحن حكينا فيها كتير، وهي القاعدة عندنا أنا سبق كمان أيضا شرحت لكم إياها، بس نشرحها بشكل سريع. Can someone read this rule and explain it to us please? بحاول أتجنب قدر الإمكان أعطيكم واجبات كثيرة، فالأشياء الضرورية عم نحلها هون. غير بشرى، غير أسيف، غير رغاد. Can someone read this rule and try to explain it? يلا يا أسيف، ما سمعنا صوت أسيف اليوم. طيب يلا أسيف.
writing type teacher
punctuation.
لا دقيقة بس أستاذ أي صفحة؟
page 64.
writing type
writing tip.
writing tip punctuation using commas is second conditional sentence. Commas are used to David parts of a sentence. They mark a brief pause you normally make when speaking. When the if clause commas first, it is followed by comma. If I was rich, I'd buy you a new car.
Mhm.
There
Mhm.
is no comma when the if clause commas second. I'd
Mhm.
buy you a new car if I was rich.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, so بعض الكلمات I will explain some words والقاعدة هي سهلة جدا. punctuation علامات تقييم. أول شيء tip يعني نصيحة بقشيش. when you go to a restaurant you tip the waiter. تعطيه بقشيش للنادل. So punctuation علامات ترقيم using commas in second conditional sentences. أول شيء what is a comma in general? What does a comma do? Commas are used to divide parts of a sentence. They mark a brief pause you normally make when speaking. شو يعني هذا الكلام؟ بشكل عام شو why do we use a comma؟ لماذا نستخدم الفاصلة؟ Why do we use a full stop؟ الحقيقة واضح جدا الموضوع. We use إذا مثل ما قلنا punctuation So punctuation علامات ترقيم. هلا أول شيء full stop we use it when we stop fully when the sentence end. عندما تنتهي الجملة we use a full stop. Now a comma we use a comma when we have to stop but not the final stop. So we divide two the sentence is divided into two. A very good example about this is the conditional sentences. Look, this is a full sentence. هي جملة كاملة. But we divided into two. قسمناها لقسمين. This one and this one. If I was rich, لو كنت أنا غنيا، لاحظ لم يكتمل المعنى. ومع ذلك عندنا هي قسم من الجملة فلذلك we put a comma. I'd buy you a new car. هي فهمنا شو الهدف من الفاصلة بشكل عام وليس فقط في الجملة الشرطية. In general, commas are used to divide sentences to make a pause لحتى نعمل توقف قصير. Now in conditional sentences الجمل الشرطية إذا كانت الإف في البداية نستخدم إذا كانت الإف في البداية نستخدم فاصلة. إذا كانت الإف في القسم الثاني لا نستخدم فاصلة. إذا كانت الإف في البداية نستخدم فاصلة. إذا كانت الإف في القسم الثاني لا نستخدم فاصلة. نحن مثل ما قلنا الجملة الشرطية بإمكاني I can read it both ways or I can order it, arrange it both ways. I can say if I was rich, I'd buy you a new car. I'd buy you a new car if I was rich. All right, so we can use it both ways, but when we use the if or when the if clause comes after the main clause, there is no need for the comma. There is no need for the comma. ما في داعي. هاي الملاحظة كتير حكيت لكم إياها بالجمل الشرطية. Alright, so I think they are telling us to do this one. يلا خلينا نحل هذا التمرين نحول هذول الجمل الشرطية. يلا هذا مباشرة. Now do it now. I will read the example. You can send me the answers to the chat. If we used more recycled products, it would help the earth. This is the example. Yes, would you start? يلي ما عرف شو بده يساوي لا سيف send the answer to the chat. Try to send the answer to the chat unless you have a question. Do you have a question? نايمين الشباب ولا شو؟ ولا عم تحلوا؟ ناخذ تفقد بشكل سريع ولا بلا ما نفيق اللي نايمين؟ الغياب عندنا محمد شقوارة صحيح؟ محمد شقوارة مثل العادة بيسجل حضور وبيهرب. أيهم مش موجود نهائيا. على كلين يصطفلوا. أنا عم سجل التفقد. Yes, let's see. نعم أسيف. But pay attention. أسيف pay attention to the conjugation of the verb لتصريف الفعل. نعم رغد. نعم بشرى. يلا يا شباب. على مهلكم. No need to hurry but try to do it. يلا. مثل ما قلت لك أنا بحاول أتجنب أعطيكم واجبات يعني مشان ما يصير عندكم ضغط وعلى الأقل بضمن إنه عم تحلوا معنا. Let's see who else. من أيضا. يلا يا شباب مشان ما حدا حل غير أسيف وبشرى ورغد. Where are the rest? ناخذ تفقد سريع ولا الجميع صاحيين؟ ولا البعض وضع الموبايل وراح كمل نومته؟ نعم أبرار. نعم بشرى. يس عمر. نعم أسيف. نعم عبد الرحمن. Pay attention please. Pay attention to the first one. خليني أحل لكم أول وحدة معلش مشان البقية. Listen. Look at the first one. Look at the first one. You طبعا بما أنه جمل شرطية we are going to use would. You wouldn't feel well. You wouldn't feel well. You wouldn't feel well. ليش استخدمنا wouldn't وليس didn't؟ لأنه هي جملة شرطية. You wouldn't feel well if you swam. If you swam الماضي مشان تنتبهوا كيف طريقة الحل. ها. Yes, number 2. نعم عبد الرحمن متات. نعم أحمد جرنازي. نعم بشرى. نعم عبد الرحمن عجاج. أوكي. نعم عبد الرحمن متات. أحسنتي بشرى. أحسنتي رغد. أوكي. So let's do the second one. عبد الرحمن عم يقول تقريبا الكل حلوا the second one. Where is it? The second one is مثل ما حليتوا if he didn't smoke. هلا بتقولوا إيه؟ هلا قلت لنا ما بنستخدم didn't. الحقيقة ما بنستخدم didn't مع بالقسم الثاني. بقسم if ممكن نستخدم didn't. If he didn't smoke he would be much healthier. Number 3. Yes, let's see. هذا حل رقم 3. بشرى حلتها. أحسنت يا بشرى. Yes. Someone else. Can someone do number 3 please? يلا يا شباب wake up. مالي شايف حلول. وين البقية؟ Where are the rest? يلا يا شباب do number 3 quickly please. أها أحسنت يا عبد الرحمن ممتاز. نعم أحمد جرنازي. انتبه زين. pay attention. إذا عبد الرحمن وبشرى حلوا لنا إياها. Number 3. نعم يا سندس. Do you have a question or you want to answer? أظن بالغلط رفعت إيده سندس. مش مشكلة. إذا بدك تجاوبي معلش بتجاوبي. Okay, so number 3. If he rode his bicycle more often, there would be less traffic pollution. Number 4 أيضا اعتمادا على الحلول بتاعتكم. What would you do if you saw بالماضي. Number 5. If you had wings, where would you fly? Okay. هذا حارسل لكم الحل. I'll send it to the chat. All right. نعم عبد الرحمن موتاك. نعم عمر خليل. نعم أحمد جرنازي. All right. So let's move on. We still have 6 and 7. Yes, let's do them quickly. Number 6. 6. The earth would be a better place if we looked after it. Number 7. If everyone bought products with less packaging, there would be less waste. There would be less waste. Exactly, Rad. Ahsanti. Okay, thank you all. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we can do this one. How honest are you? We can also do this one. This is like a quiz about the second conditional. So we can do this one. Yes, let's do it now. We still have time. We still have some exercises. خلينا نحدد التمارين اللي بدنا نحلهم. This one طبعا بشكل عام يعني بالوحدة. This one D page 66. A page 68. We did this one. No, not this one. No. No, not this one. No. Yeah, A. ممكن حدا يحددهم. 73 no no yeah, we can do this one. D, page 75. No, not this one. No. No. اوكي، هذول اللي حددناهم بقيانين علينا هنحلهم فقط بكفوا. الحقيقة بدي أكلفكم بشغلة رح تعجبكم إن شاء الله، وهي كتابة إيميل، بس not now. لازم نكتب نبلش نعلمكم الكتابة. This is not enough. But not now. We will talk about this. يعني بدي أكلفكم بهاد بعدين واجب، لكن ليس الآن. هلا لا تدير شيء، أنا بقول لك هلا ما عندك واجب، بس إذا بتطلع على هدول التمارين اللي أشرت عليهم، إذا بتطلع عليهم يعني على الأقل هذا دي page 66. ليش مش واجب؟ واجب. دي page 66 is a homework.